Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you. So we finally we got rid of the Accord. A lot of people might be mad about that, but we got a Q50. So all we're doing on the Q50, we're installing a little front lip. It's gonna be more stuff coming to the Q50 later on. So right now we're just doing something really short and sweet. Okay, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Oop, actually it's over here. Hit the subscribe button down below, put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's Carstomit. Here's the car. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. 23 Q50. We're gonna have more stuff coming to it, so stay tuned guys. I just want to show it to you quickly. There you go. All right guys, so let's go and do that quick install. Okay, so I just kind of lay the front lip on the car for right now. We're gonna line it up and then we're gonna start to put it on. I'll put everything in the description down below where we got it. So it's gloss black. All right, let's put it on now guys. I think I like it like that. Yeah. Right guys, as you can see, it's all done. I think it looks really good. Makes the car look so much more aggressive. What do you guys think? I really like it. What do you guys think? I think it looks really good. All right guys, that's all she wrote. All right guys, sorry about the sun, it's in my eye. Anyway, the little mod is all done. Like and subscribe down below. Tell me what you think. Until the next time, peace.